Hello everyone. My name is Mudassir. I'm studying in first year AADS. My startup company is Wet Solution. Product present name is AC. Product proposed name is Glacial Gale. Mentoring some of the requirement and feelings about the product as said by the customer during the empathize activity. AC with the refreshing smell, AC turning on with the heat power of atmosphere. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirement of customer, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name AC, futuristic product name Glacial Gale. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Smart connectivity, energy efficiency, health and comfort, safety and security. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewer of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.